Hey everybody, this is Terry. You might know me from Terry's Model Rod Shop, but I got a new venture going now called Slicker Than Snot Scale Model Decals. And I have been doing graphic arts, embroidery, signs, banners for 20 years. And my passion is model cars. And I started this business making custom decals for people because ain't nothing worse than building a car and getting to that last step of wanting custom graphics or decals and not being able to find them. I'm going to go over on how to use a micrometer to measure areas on your models. This is for the decal guys that want to do custom decals because I always get questions on how to use it. Well, first off, there's your micrometer. It's $19.99 at Harbor Freight, and then with 20% off. I mean, it's real simple. You turn it on. It's got a 0 button to 0 it out. And then you got millimeters, inches, and inch fractions. I prefer to use millimeters with model cars because the scale we're working with. So I'm going to show you how to measure a door and a tailgate area on this Boyd hauler I built many years ago. So let's say you want to put a logo on the door. What you would do is open up your micrometer and say, okay, the area the logo needs to go on is 44 millimeters by 25 millimeters. And then you would send me that measurement and I would set it up for you. And then, like, say you want to do a little Chevrolet emblem on the back of the tailgate. You just open it up to whatever, however wide you want it to be. Say it's 10 millimeters by, I don't know, probably 2.5 millimeters, probably a good measurement. So with the micrometer, you just 0 it out and then measure whatever area you want to measure and how wide and how tall, and that's all I need. And then I can set your decals up and everybody's happy. That's it. Thank you.